Welcome. Today we are going to discuss Introduction to the Philosophy of Mind. It is our introductory lecture about the topic. Therefore, we have distinguished two questions. Question 1: What is philosophy of mind? And question 2: What is a subject of experience? Okay, our first question: What is philosophy of mind? Our first question in this topic: what is not philosophy of mind? That is, we have taken this question in negation, and we can say that philosophy of mind is not the study of philosophical questions concerning the mind and its properties. Questions such as whether the mind is distinct from the body or some part of it, such as the brain, and whether the mind has properties such as consciousness which are unique to it. And you may ask me why this definition is not correct and how can I answer to this question. Such a definition implicitly assumes something which is already philosophically contentious, namely that minds are objects of a certain kind, somehow related, perhaps causally, perhaps by identity, to other objects, such as bodies or brains. And how can we define that people have minds? How can I answer to this question? A more circumspect way of saying that people have minds would be to say that people are minded or mindful, meaning thereby just that they feel, see, think, reason, and so forth. And our last question in this topic is that was what philosophy of mind is. Philosophy of mind is a philosophical study of mind in beings, which includes people, but may well also include non-human animals and perhaps even robots, if these two can be minded. More speculatively, minded beings might even include disembodied spirits, such as angels and God, if such things do or could exist. Okay, and our second topic is about the subject of experience and what is the meaning of this question. Some philosophers believe that we can replace the term minded being with the term subject of experience. And what is experience in this context? The term experience is here taken in a broad sense to encompass of any kind of sensation, perception, or thought. This agreed, we can say that philosophy of mind is the philosophical study of subjects of experience, what they are, how they can exist, and how they are related to the rest of creation. Okay, that's all for today's discussion. If you have got any questions, you can address them, and I'll be very glad to answer them. Okay, thank you for watching.